Alright you guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a hair wash video as well as a styling video. Today I'm going to be using none other than my favorite brand for my natural hair, which is the Kreyole Essence Black Haitian Castor Oil line. Y'all see me use this tons and tons of times, so we're going to go ahead and get right into it. We're going to start off with shampooing our scalp, conditioning the hair. As you guys know, I did color my hair. You kind of can't see the color right now. The color is here. So this is my first time washing my hair since I've colored it. I think that's what I'm going to do. I want to wear my hair curly and like puffed out and stuff like that. So we're going to do a perm rod set. If you want any of these products that I'm using from the Kreyole Essence, I do have a coupon code for you so you can save some money at checkout, okay? Here is the code right here so you can save money. All right, so first things first, we're starting off with our shampoo. Y'all, I love this shampoo. It really gets down and dirty and gets all that gunk out of your hair. So that is really, really good. Treatment hair mask, okay? Treatment hair mask. I want to get some hydration. It's good for hydrating your hair, and yeah. And it says for a hair tip, add 4 drops of Haitian black castor oil for a deep conditioning, which I'm going to do because I have my hair drops as well, my oil. So we're going to do this and the oil together, and we're going to do a deep treatment, wash it out, and then we're going to style. So let's go right into it. Alright, so all the hair washing is done. Let's go ahead and get ready to style this really quick. I just need to put some moisturizer on my face because, you know, all that washing definitely dried your girl out. I'm about to blow dry my hair just ever so lightly, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the perm rods. Alright, so we've got it all blown out. So I have 3 different sizes, which I would say is like a medium. A new pack too. Here's some blue ones, curls, and then there's a yellow one, which is even smaller. I doubt I'm going to use this at all. and goat hair milk from Kreyole Essence. I'm going to do that very, very lightly, but predominantly we're going to be using some mousse just so we can get that really like crunchy type of vibe, because I am going to sit under the dryer. I don't know if I said that. I didn't say that, but I am going to be sitting under the dryer after I complete this hair. Morning, happy Sunday. Well, anyways, it's the next morning, so we're about to take this out. Y'all, I have a headache. One of them was like pressing against my head, and I got a headache so bad right now, but I know once I take this out, it's gonna go away. So we're about to take these out really quick. I don't know how I feel. I feel like it's a 50-50 chance, obviously, but I don't think they're gonna come out how I wanted to, because I feel like I should have did the rods while my hair was completely wet and then use mousse while it was still damp, but instead I blow dried my hair, and I feel like that's what's gonna make it frizzy. So I can already feel that it's gonna be that way. I feel like the next time I do this, I'm gonna leave my hair damp and wet, use mousse, roll it, and then go under the dryer versus the blow drying. But either way, let's get into it. See what I mean? It's definitely fuzzy. I kind of knew that was gonna happen. So just as I expected, it's not terrible, but it's not what the look I was going for. But it is what it is. Let's see what we can do with these curls. But I definitely know now that I should have done it completely wet. It's kind of obvious because now the roots are puffy, and then this is like the look that I wanted to go for. So I'm gonna use this Shine Serum. It looks cute on some parts, but that's about it. Oh, not flat. I tried, y'all. I tried. I really did. We're flat ironing right now. Sorry. I wasted all my time. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off. With the negativity, with that mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Well, this is what it's gonna be because there's no other choice right now, because I don't know what I was thinking. I am gonna watch some videos on YouTube to see what I can do to make it better the next time I do this. So this is not the end. I just need a regular hairstyle right now because I don't know what that was, but it is what it is. A little blowout it is. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. No matter what, I do love the way my hair feels and smells because I use the Kreyole essence. So don't forget to check the description box and use this code right here on the screen so you can save some money when you get your hair care. As you can see, the hair is clean, fluffy, and it's gonna last me. So we'll try that style another time, but yeah, we got our cute little blowout little thing going on. And I'll see y'all later. I'm just adding a little bit more sheen now that my hair is blown out. I don't want it to look so dry because the scalp is cleaned out, baby. It is what it is. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching.